We have taken steps to undergo a supply chain due diligence certification through a third party called EcoVadis, where they do the assessment on multiple categories, including labor and human right condition, as well as our procurement policies, our environmental policies, and they cumulatively give us a score in terms of identifying the areas which we may have some risks around and how we can address those risks, as well as how we compare against our peer. Kawneer has taken step to undergo EcoVadis assessment, and we are asking all our key suppliers to undergo through the EcoVadis or supply chain due diligence certification, so that we can understand if there are risk areas, and we want to make sure that not just us, we are buying materials in an ethical manner, as well as our suppliers are doing the same. So Kawneer has established a goal of making sure that we do 50% of our purchases from companies which have gone through supply chain sustainability assessment or EcoVadis assessment by 2025. And we move that number up to 80% by 2030. Kawneer.com is a great resource in terms of learning about sustainability, green building programs, understanding how our products contribute to these certification programs, as well as a repository of all our sustainability documentation for our product. In addition, we are publishing documentation around how you could incorporate a low-carbon aluminum billet into your specification. To learn more about Kawneer's commitment to sustainability, please visit our Balanced Sustainability webpage at Kawneer.com.